Today we get a $60 mystery box with TheSilverBackGraphix. Let's go. Welcome to Pickin' and Punchin'. I am the Scoundrel Rock Rhymes. I'm an independent professional wrestler, also modern day treasure hunter. And today we have a $60 mystery box from TheSilverBackGraphix. The cool thing is about this, man, is when I saw the front of this thing, this box, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera there, but he actually made his own graphic, Gorilla Club. So I had to throw on my Bullet Club t-shirt right here, representing some New Japan wrestling. He did say he does add some cool artwork to his boxes, you know, so as just an added bonus. So I'm interested in seeing that. One of the viewers of the YouTube channel reached out and sent me this on Instagram, said, hey, check out these boxes. He was buying one, so I figured why not join in. I always like to try to support people that support the show. So he actually put on here, enjoy the free gift, so some free artwork. And he also said that my brand mailers are on back order, so I appreciate your patience. I know this improvised mailer is ugly, however, it does make sure your stuff is safe, so I definitely appreciate that. Let's open up this freebie first and see what this artwork is. Now he did send me a message saying that he saw that I was in the wrestling, so he said he may include something wrestling related. So we will see. Oh, check that out. That's actually really cool, man. Bad times don't last, but bad guys do. It's a tribute to Razor Ramon, Scott Hall, who recently passed away. It's laminated too, so that is super cool, man. Did a hell of a job with that artwork here, if you guys can see that. Super cool. Oh, he also included Leonardo from Ninja Turtles. So definitely a nice touch, man. I paid $60 for this box. So these are nice little add-ons. I'll actually include a link down below to his Instagram channel. So if anyone's interested in buying his mystery boxes. So I totally missed the other side of this, man, which is cool. He actually included a little thing on the front here. It says, don't forget to check to see if you won. So I really have no idea what even the prize is. I don't remember. So approved by the Comic Authority. TheSilverBackGraphix, pretty cool little sticker there. Oh, there we go. Huh. It included a magnet too as well. That's actually really cool. So it's definitely a nice little touch. With a custom little sticker on there and stuff like that. It says Silver Box Alpha Male Edition Grand Prize winner. Huh. Alright, what the hell did I win? Alright, to give you guys a breakdown of what each box contains. Each box has 8 to 10 comic books ranging from silver, bronze, copper, and modern. Hit inserts randomly include recalled issues, complete series and runs, key issues, and signed books and more. Grand prize is a Flash 107 CGC 2.5. Looks like I won a Flash 107. So I'm not a big Flash guy, but hey, what's super cool, man. I love winning grand prizes, so I didn't realize there was a grand prize in this box. So I was just buying it just to support someone that reached out to me, and super cool. Man, these boxes are full of all kind of little goodies, man. What is this? Oh, there's a box breakdown on that one. Okay. Let's see here. I'm going to look at that first and see what we got here first. As we go through here, just like all my other videos, I will show you guys first. And in the bottom corner here, I'll keep a running tab of what the books are valued. I paid $60 for this box. And he says start here. So And so far, this has been great. So, all right, start here. What do we get? Secret Invasion Captain Britain. Okay. Number 3. It's a cool looking book. All right, what do we got next? Weapon X, number 78. All right, I'm cool with that. Got some spine ticks on there, but definitely a cool book. Huge Wolverine fan, so cool with that. Holy crap, this is a massive stack. What do we got here? Wolverine, number 61. Once again, big Wolverine fan, so I'll take that. Batman 479. Don't know who's on that cover, but all right. What we got? Oh, Thundercats, number 2. That's cool. I love anything from the 80s. And Thundercats, number 2. That's a cool book. This one feels like it's a Mylar bag. What is this one? X-Men 201. And it looks like in pretty good condition, man. So, definitely love my X-Men stuff. What do we got here? Guardians of the Galaxy, number 13. Look at that cover. I am a massive Ghost Rider fan. I just wish they can come out in a really good movie with him. Alright, what do we got here? The Avengers 264. And now the all-new Yellow Jacket. What do we got here? Astonishing X-Men number 3. Love the yellow cover with Wolverine on it. Definitely cool. What do we got? Ghost Rider number 2. That's a cool one. That's a keeper. What do we got? Oh, wow. Marvel Superhero Secret War number 6. Love that cover, man. Dr. Doom down there. What do we got here? Oh, this is a 50-cent book. Doctor Strange number 48. Not in the best condition, but still cool. 1981. Silverback set. So, I think it's a really cool addition, adding in your own custom artwork. So, definitely A+ on that aspect of things here. I mean, super cool. It says X-Men Omega, X-Men Alpha, and I can't make out what the last part says, but oh wow. Okay, there's an X-Men Alpha. Look at that cover. That's super cool. Oh, X-Men Prime. Front and back wraparound covers. All right. It's X-Men Omega. And that's another, once again, another special wraparound cover. Definitely super cool. So, I mean, look at all this artwork he added in all these boxes. Ninja Turtles. The Razor Ramon is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I mean, for 60 bucks, I mean, you get a ton of books. Great value there. And I want a freaking grand prize. Like, Silverback grand prize winner. So, I gotta contact him. I've had this box sitting here for like a week or two now. Alright, so we're filming this about a week later. we actually received another package in the mail from TheSilverBackGraphix. This was actually the grand prize that we won. The cool thing that he did was he actually didn't include the grand prize in the actual mystery box. So no one would know if they got a grand prize or not when he actually pulled out the winning tab. And then I received this giant, I mean, oddly shaped box. But I mean, look at that cool little hand-drawn graphic he put on the front of it. So definitely cool. So we're gonna open this up and see what it is. This should be a flash book, but with this unique package, who knows what's in this box. All right, so this is what we got here. All right, so there's actually 2 boxes here, and and there's a note, which is actually really cool. He actually wrote a personal note that says, now, actually, I just noticed that he actually drew a picture of Marty Scurll. You guys don't know, he's actually a pro wrestler there. And it says, the Scoundrel, huh? We used to have a villain, but he stole the whole look for himself. Damn Brits. You will hopefully stick around longer than he did. Ouch. Welcome to the Gorilla Gang. Enjoy your big wing. So, if you guys don't know, during the Me Too movement, a bunch of stuff came out about Marty Scurll, and he had a lot of momentum. It was one of the hottest things on the independents for professional wrestling, and since then he's pretty much been canceled. So, all right. So he also included this another box right here, which does state, in addition to your grand prize win, please enjoy the Boss King original art as a free gift. So TheSilverBackGraphix on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description to his page. But let's check this out. All right, let's see what this original art is. All right, start here first. Gorilla Gang, the Scoundrel Raw Grimes. That is freaking so cool. I mean, look at that. He made a custom one for me. That's awesome, man. Oh my God, look at this. This is freaking super cool. What if Captain America fought Bret the Hitman Hart? Like, that is awesome. What's cool too is he actually laminated these, so you can actually put them up for display and stuff like that. And it says it glows in the dark. Are you ready for Border Brawl? Can America's first Avenger survive the excellence of execution? Now that's cool. Definitely a nice touch here. Let's see what else you got here. Some Carnage. That's super cool. He actually hand paints all these, so. Here's a Thanos, which is super cool. And then, oh, now that's awesome. Jason Voorhees, Friday the 13th, right there. Awesome. What a cool, man. What a cool addition to this mystery box. I definitely like mystery boxes that stand out and do stuff that's very unique. Remember, mystery boxes aren't always about getting tons of value or getting books for your PC. The whole purpose is having fun and to get cool things like this. So, all right, now let's open up this grand prize. Okay. All right, so second layer is full of all kind of cool stuff too. I mean, look. All right, so he has a custom note on the side here, which is actually pretty cool. No heroic act or evil plan can get you here. Villains and heroes stand side by side here. To be here, you must do one thing, win. And to do that, the universe must choose you. Congratulations on your win, and welcome to the Silverback Winner's Circle. That is a super cool touch. These little personal touches, man, are awesome. So, all right, layer 3. Another note. It says, welcome to the Gorilla Gang. All right. All right. Now, this is cool. It's a Flash 107. It's a 2.5 from CGC. This is actually from 1959. 10-cent comic book. Golden Age. Wow, the back advertisement, this thing's super cool too. Well, the back advertisement on this thing is super cool. It says, "We'll ripple your body with muscles. Load TNT into your fist." It has a picture of Joe Louis and the advertisement with Mickey Man on the back, which is super cool. So, but yeah, man, I am not angry at all. I'm not the biggest Flash fan, but this is really cool. So this is actually my first Golden Age slab. 1959. Yeah. So thank you so much, man. All this custom artwork in here is awesome. The fact that you added in all these things, which is a nice little touch. The personal notes, the horror stuff, the wrestling stuff. I mean, this box was a great experience. I think I only paid like 60 bucks for. So to get this grand prize on top of the regular box with all the other artwork was well worth the price. So guys, check them out. If you guys like this type of content, make sure that you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. We do plenty of unboxings, yard sales, modern day treasure hunting. Until next time, guys.